Whew. But still not too bad. Well within flying. Check the app, all good to go. Takeoff permitted. Good boy. Hey, leave it. Good boy. Keeping it quite low here because we've got telegraph, not the electric wires way above me, but it's best to be safe than sorry, isn't it? standing. I prefer doing this when I'm with someone else, to be honest with you, because I haven't got to look at the dog, look around and keep my eye on so much. I can just concentrate on the drone more, which I can with the dog, but it's just that when you've got the dog, it's just on your mind. Where is he? Is he doing anything he shouldn't be? Is he caught up in something, etc.? So that's it, look, all packed away, it's nice and snug. Yeah, like I say, if we were shooting on today, I wouldn't have bothered the drone, obviously, because I don't want no trouble, and I don't think they want no trouble. Helicopter. As you've probably worked out by now, I'm not much of a crowd goer, more of a country bumpkin. Same as Gizmo, he's a country bumpkin. Pumpkin. Country pumpkin, Gizmo, ain't ya? Not good at socialising. Yeah, that walk last week, Gizmo was, when I got to the end of it, he seems alright, Gizmo, but then when I was walking down the road to go home, on the paved path, he was rubbing, his feet were dragging, he was so knackered. So that was his limit, basically, that walk last week. Gizmo, no, come on, good boy. So I've made it slightly shorter this week, because I don't want to put him to that extreme. Then build up. Because I didn't do any walking for a long time when he was having his seizures. And before that I used to do night walking all along this, all the way where I've been. I used to do it at night, 2 o'clock in the morning, midnight, whenever. Because that's the only time I felt safe because of his seizures. But touch wood, January, he's not even had one. He's due, to be honest. I hope he doesn't, but he's bound to somewhere. Gizmo, come here, you got something on your leg? He's walking a bit weird. So you pull me down these hills, Gizmo, don't you? But not up them. Should be the other way around. Can't believe you've not seen anyone. Not one person. It's pretty decent. Come here. Pull me over on this. So we're down here, it's okay. That quad bike went up there, look. You see where it's been wheel spinning, but decent to get up there, isn't it? It's quite steep. That was the path. Here are the dogs at Keeper's Kennels. now we start the uphill leg of it even more. Alright, that's the end just there, that. So I'll turn the camera off now. Back on council property. And you've already seen this before anyway. Thanks for watching.